Goodbye guys! I'll miss you today! Because today, hindi ako ang magva-vlog. My mama! Ready ka na ba for today?
Of course naman, anak.
Okay, go.
Okay, are you ready?
Hindi siya kita. Baliktad! Ayan! So, Ma, for your first ever vlog, what do you want to talk about?
It's about the story of our lives.
Oh, nice!
Yeah, we're going to different places wherein malaki ang impact sa atin. Let's go, guys!
Oh my God, she's an expert. Let's go!
Go, go, go!
We're here! Welcome to our first stop!
Ito na first revelation natin. Alam niyo ba kung bakit ganito ang color ng aking anak? Dito ko siya pinaglihi.
Ube! I
Yes.
love ube. So, bakit ako mapinagliha sa ube?
Kasi nutritious yan eh, di ba?
Delicious ba to?
O di ba ang takaw niya?
Wow! Oh my God, ang sarap ate!
Thank you, ma.
Masarap!
Nung nalaman kong pregnant ako sa'yo, syempre naisip ko kagad na masecure ang future nyo. First ang wish ko sa inyo is to have a long and healthy life.
So, Ma, where to next?
Pakihinto lang dito.
Anong meron sa place na to?
Pag nakakakita kasi ako ng green fields, hindi ko mapigilang maalala. 23 years ago, nagkaroon ng car accident. Ako nagda-drive, no? Lumipad yung kotse sa maliit na creek. Total wreck. That was life-changing talaga. Naisip ko, paano kung nawala ako noon? Sino mag-aalaga sa inyo? After that accident, nakipagkita ako sa financial advisor. Yung mga nibigay ng insurance, ikinuha ko kayo isa-isa. Out of that bad experience, may kabutihan namang lumabas, di ba?
Let's go!
Yes! We are here in
Oh, baliktad! We are still here!
your happy place. Dito ko dinadala si Kath after school. May time kami mag-bonding.
Ang dami naming memories dito. Ang dami kong pinakiusap na ibili. That
Kahit mga
day.
simple
Abubots,
pens,
yeah. Si Mama, na turo niya sa akin to value the importance of money.
Yung maliliit na bagay na yan, napapasaya ko siya. This is one of my many ways of showing her that I love her.
Cheesy. And now, dito na tayo sa last stop natin. We are about to eat this. Our favorite ice cream. Cheers. Oh, He used to be a financial advisor, right?
That time, ang tawag doon, insurance agent ng Philem Life, na ngayon nga, AIA na siya. It's a big fulfillment for me.
Yeah.
Number one, nagtatap ako doon sa branch namin. And number two, nakakatulong ako. Ibang tao, natulungan ko sila to face what is insurance ba talaga. 1 year pa lang, na-awardan ako as MDRT,
What's MDRT?
$1 Million Round Table. In a span of 1 year, nagkaroon ako ng komisyon na $1 million.
Good job. Proud of you. Nakasave ka ng ilang
Nakatulong
years
yun.
na yun.
Nakatulong yun talaga.
Since day one up until now,
Yeah.
sobrang hands-on mo and nandyan ka parate to take care of us, to support us. You're our number one supporter.
Yes.
Yes. So, in return, I got you a gift.
Oh, really?
I got you an AIA insurance plan. It's for your protection, for your healthcare, and extra savings na din for you because you deserve it. Kami nang bahala sa'yo.
I really enjoy this day, anak. Natuto ko mag-vlog. And also, nagkaroon ng bonding sa'yo.
Thank you, Mama!
Your love is special.